Hi Oakville, I'm Fire Prevention Officer Moshu Liang. It's simple. Working smoke alarms save lives. It's the law in Ontario to have working smoke alarms on every story of your home and outside all sleeping areas. Test your smoke alarms at least once a month by pressing the test button on your device. Change the batteries at least once a year if needed. Replace all smoke alarms, whether hardwired or battery operated, every 10 years. Always follow the manufacturer's instruction. From all of us here at Oakville Fire, stay safe and have a great holiday season. Now I will say this message in Chinese. Oakville 的市民朋友们，大家好，我是 Oakville 消防局的消防官梁默书。保护您和家人生命安全的最简单的第一步，就是一定要确保家里的烟雾报警器能够正常工作。在安大略省，法律规定家庭住宅的每一层楼及所有临近卧室或休息区的地方，都必须安装可正常运作的烟雾报警器。请至少每月测试一次您家里所有的烟雾报警设备，只需要按下设备上的测试按钮，即可检查设备是否正常工作。如有需要，请至少每年更换一次烟雾报警器的电池。无论您家里的烟雾报警器是连接交流电源，或是依靠电池供电，都应在安装使用的10年后更换新的设备。请务必遵循制造商的说明进行安装与保养。Oakville 消防局的全体同仁在此祝您身体健康，节日快乐。